Tired of customers waiting endlessly for support? Let's build a chatbot in Aisensy and give your customers instant answers, boosting satisfaction and freeing up your team. First, log into your Aisensy account. If you don't have one yet, head to Aisensy.com to sign up for a free trial. Once you're in, find the chatbot option in the left-hand menu. Click on it. Now, you'll see the Chatbot Dashboard. Click on the Create New Bot button. A pop-up will appear asking you to name your bot and add a description. Make sure to choose a name that is easy to identify and a description outlining the bot's purpose. This is the Chatbot Editor. It's a drag-and-drop interface where you can visually design your bot's flow. Start with a welcome message node to greet your customers. Next, add a question node to understand what the customer needs. You can choose from multiple choice options or allow them to type in their queries. Based on their answer, connect a response node that provides relevant information. You can also add buttons to guide users to other relevant flows. Repeat this process to build out your chatbot's logic, covering common questions and issues. Save your bot when you're done. Now your customers can get instant support with Aisensy. #ChatBot Setup #Aisensy Automation.